I want to give you a quick review of this electric grill brush. So with grilling season coming up, this is going to be a really helpful thing to be able to keep that grill clean and make sure that your food is getting cooked very well on a clean surface. Very simple to use. All right, so it comes with a couple different heads. First of all, this is the brush itself. It comes with your charging cord. It does run on a charge, but it doesn't take long to charge at all. You plug the charge in here, plug it in, and the lights will light up all around here. When they're all green, you know it's fully charged. Easy to use. This button here is actually going to help you swivel the head so that you can work at different angles. You can work with it straight on for brushing. You can have it angled to push. Very simple to use. And then this is your power button. The two brush heads it comes with is this one here. It's very bristly. It has this little pull tab for pulling it off, just so you don't have to really grab the bristles, especially once they get dirty. It does come with a set of gloves so that you can keep your hands clean. And then it's got this little one here as well. So they both just kind of will snap on. This one is kind of maybe for polishing and whatnot after you've gotten all of the grime off. So to get it on, you just line it up in here and you're gonna push it down until it snaps into place like so. And then when you turn it on, there we go. That's the highest setting, and then the lowest, and then another push will shut it off altogether. So we're going to use it on the grill. I'm going to show you what it does. So with these slats here, I've actually just angled it just to make it easier to maneuver when we turn it on. This is a little bit of a splatter screen just to help keep some of it from getting, but you can just really angle it down. I hope you can see some of that kind of splattering out. But it is pulling up a lot of, just the stuff that kind of really sticks down in there. And you're gonna definitely wanna give it a wipe off afterwards. So a word of caution, I wouldn't wear your best clothes while doing this. I am feeling the splatter on me. So just make sure that you've got an apron or just some old clothes on as well, but that's definitely pulling up in between all of those grates. I've got some grates up here on the top, so I would turn it angled more like that to be able to do these ones along the top. Actually, that's really cleaned them nicely. I don't know the last time was that I've seen them that clean. There's actually a lot of power behind this. Using with one hand is a workout for sure. Is gonna give yourself some time with that, and that's gonna clean that right off. Pretty much to brand new, it looks like. Okay, so as I said, I would wear an apron or something. That's what the gloves are for. It did really splatter my arm and whatnot. It will just brush off. I'll be able to wipe it off, not a problem. But obviously you know that it has been cleaning. So that was this bristle brush. Afterwards you could go over with the other head and just really shine everything up and make sure everything is wiped off clean and your grill is good to go. So I hope this helped.